Hope y'all are enjoying the show back home. I don't know what it looks like on y'all's end, but it sure is spectacular on this end. It is very, very great. It's just as good as any 4th of July operation I've seen. We have two different sections going on. The tall one's on the right, the short one's on the left. I guess we're getting to the end now. Everything is going crazy over there. Hey, again, we're at the Balloon Fest, Albuquerque, New Mexico, 2017. It's been an incredible journey, first one I've ever seen, and today was absolutely spectacular. If you didn't get a chance to see my post and live Facebook feeds, go back and look at them. The balloons, again, were just awesome.
Or your wife posted too many pictures as always.
And my wife, go on her Facebook, and she has lots and lots of pictures posted on her Facebook. Be Roxanne and Gary. Wow. I just know that my little phone camera is not picking up. But, this is really awesome. This is worth the trip. If you ever want to have it on your bucket list to come up here, happens the first week or two of October.
Come on, focus.
Bring your jackets and thermal underwear because it's really cold. And it's awesome.
It's hard to stay focused.
Okay, Renee, you're asking me where I'm at.
Albuquerque.
We're in Albuquerque, New Mexico, at the Balloon Fest. They have it every October since 1970 something. And this is what they have on Saturday night and Sunday night. That looks like to y'all, but on this end it's like awesome, incredible, shock and awe. And I guess that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. See ya.